Let's talk about heated insoles with external battery for hunting, fishing, camping.
I have here an example what could be interesting for you. The heated insole comes across with very good package. So here you have your charger, some bags for your insoles, and the insoles with your battery. So it's external, so you could put it on your leg, and the benefit here is, well, if you don't have it or if you low battery, then you could put it out, exchange the battery with a new one, and it's a foamy pattern, so the foam density is everywhere the same. So only want to go, they compress it and bring it slightly different shape. This will be, well, this is abrasion resistant and leads that it will not move so much in your foot nor in your shoe, not foot. And you could cut it 1, 2, 3 times to get 1, 2, 3, 4 different lengths of the insole. And well, as you could see, it's very fluffy and comfortable to wear. So how it performs and how it looks like during the heating, you find it in the link below. And here on the bottom, you could turn it off, you have turn it off or turn it on, and you have 3 different levels. Please like me this video because, well, friends of mine are telling me you will never get more than 50 likes for such kind of video. So please make it happen. And on top of that, if you like this video, a little bit out of the box, because normally, as you know, I make reviews about backpacks. Please leave me a comment below, and next close to this comment, leave me also your idea which kind of video you want to see next from me. So you have 3 different levels, so high, low and medium, and you could turn it off. I think this is a very good insole, and if you are not very comfortable at the moment, you have to look this video here. There I will compare 7 different models, and out of there you will find for sure today your right insole. So see you in the next video.